a wholly owned subsidiary of Finework, focuses on metallic sealing innovative design, advanced forming technologies and precision testing technologies, delivering cost-effective, reliable metal sealing solutions for our customers. Our product portfolio features independently developed C-rings, W-shaped metal sealing ring, piston ring, ultra-high conformity 90. We maintain full process machining capabilities with complete in-house mold production. 60 employees, including 20-plus engineers, with over a decade of experience in sealing design, capable of fee designs for both ambient and high-temperature conditions. Our non-circular machining process has got recognition from our customer, providing customized solutions for our clients. Come, let's show you the site process. Laser welding, rolling, hydroforming, heat treatment complies with AMS 750 standards, penetrant testing, magnetic particle teating, plating, including gold, silver, chrome, nickel, X-ray teating, ambient and high-temperature leakage testing. Testing equipment ensures precise control over every stage. We have an international standard laboratory accredited with ISO 17025. Multiple international standard certifications. Products are widely used in the aviation industry, petrochemical industry, automotive industry, semiconductor sector, and aerospace field.